Hello students, let's read the question. If a point C lies between 2 points A and B such that AC equals to BC, then prove that AC equals to 1 by 2 or half of AB. Explain by drawing the figure. So we have drawn a figure in which we have a line segment AB which is divided into two equal parts using the through the point C that is in the middle. So let's write what we have given. We have given that AC is equals to BC. Now what we can do is let's add both side by AC. So what we get, AC plus AC is equals to BC plus AC. So this can further written as 2AC equals to BC plus AC. So let's solve this into the next slide. So we know that BC plus AC is AB as it is a line segment. So we can write as 2AC is equals to AB. So now from here we can calculate the value of AC. So AC will be 1 by 2 AB. So we have actually proved the what have been proven. So using the concept of line segment that given in the question that AC is equals to BC, we have solved this problem. So student, hope you understand this problem well. Thank
Don't forget to like and subscribe.